Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today again I have brought you new updates regarding PhD admission in one of top private university, which Pilani. Its campus in situated in Pilani, Goa and Hyderabad. So they have given notification for second semester 2021-22 regarding important updates. Here you can see application are invited for second semester admission to PhD program starting January 2022 in Pilani, Goa and Hyderabad campuses of BITS Pilani in following departments. In engineering department you can apply for chemical, civil, computer science, electrical, electronics and mechanical. For science, biological science, chemistry, mathematics and physics. And last one, in economics and finance, humanity and social sciences and management you can apply. This is the matrix of seats available for different branches in different campuses, either full time or part time. Like for biological science, you can see in Pilani campus they have vacancy for full time but no vacancy for part time. Same for Goa, for full time and part time both having vacancy for this branch. And in Hyderabad campus also they have both type of seats are available, like for full time and part time. There are two category. First one, full time, means who want to pursue PhD residing in campus. And part time, anyone who is working in any organization and having basic research facility, then they can apply for part time. Where one there are two guides. One is guide and co-guide. Main guide is from BITS campus and co-guide is from the organization campus. Minimum eligibility criteria, you can see if you have ME, MTech, M.Pharma, MBA, MPhil or equivalent degree with 60% marks, then you can apply. Or if you have MSc, BE, B.Pharma or equivalent degree with minimum 60% marks in the qualifying examination, then also you can apply. And for humanity and social science, if you have MA degree with 55% marks, then you can apply. Here it is mentioned that meeting a minimum eligibility criteria doesn't guarantee admission into PhD program. In addition, department may set a specific admission criteria for shortlisting. So after shortlisting, you have to appear for admission test and interview. Based on that, you will be shortlisted. There are financial assistance for full-time PhD students, that is ranging from 28,000 to 31,000 per month in the first year based on their qualification at the time of admission. A student admitted with ME, MTech, M.Pharma or MBA, MPhil are eligible to receive an institute fellowship of 31,000. And if anyone applying with MSc, BE, B.Pharma, then they will receive institute fellowship of 28,000. After completion of coursework, the fellowship will be increased. Higher fellowship may also be available in subsequent years. Consideration for institute fellowship will be as per institute norms. It will be obligatory on the part of every admitted full time to undertake 8 to 10 hours per week of work as assigned by department. Means who are getting a fellowship, they will provided with 8 to 10 hours of any work per week. So you have to take care of that. These are the important dates, like admission already started from 16th of October, last date 30th November. Then they will declare the shortlisted candidate result on 10th December. Test and interview will be conducted on 5th January 2022. Then announcement of admission offer to PhD program on 10th January. Then reporting to respective campuses 17th January. Then registration started from 18th January 2022. Application process, what you have to do, you have to should apply through prescribed application form available online. I will provide the link in description box. Hard copy is not required to be sent, you have to apply online. First you have to register online, then I will with a valid email ID and mobile number, and it will valid till the application process complete and admission process completion. Then You can see deadline is 30th November 2021 till 5 p.m. Application fee they are taking 2600. Then final decision on admitting of candidate to PhD program will be taken by admission committee and will be binding to all. Written test detail they have given. Test 1 will be 30 MCQ pertaining to general science, quantitative reasoning and analysis, and research aptitude. The duration will be of 1 hour, and each correct answer will be awarded 2 marks and 0.5 negative marking for wrong answer. Test 2 consisted of 70 MCQ covering the prescribed syllabus of relevance to the candidate as given on page 7. The duration of test will be 1 or 2 hours. Each correct answer 2 marks and wrong 0.5 marks. Candidate with MPhil, ME, MTech or with national fellowship like CSIR, NET, JRF, DBT, JRF, UGC, NET are exempted from taking the above test. Candidates shortlisted for test in any of the following department. This is the candidate shortlisted for test in any of the following department. This is for biological science. This is for humanitarian and social sciences. They have given biological sciences, chemistry, mathematics, physics. We'll have to write 2 tests. Okay. Then candidates shortlisted for test in any of the following department. Test 1 will be common to both discipline, and test 2 will be discipline specific. Okay. Then these are the syllabus below you have given. Test 2 for candidates shortlisting in humanitarian and social sciences will be discipline specific and subjective in nature. Candidate with MPhil degree or with fellowship like are exempted from taking above test. All candidates shortlisted in the Department of Management will be required to take a written test of duration 1 hour. The nature of written test will be application based on the area of general management. And a candidate with B Pharma have to write one written test. Based on the test result, they will call for interview. All notice will be published on institute website. No written this is the syllabus you can see for every subjects, so you can take care of that. Management, so you have to go see the syllabus before written test and prepare well for the written according to that. And now here you can see candidates shortlisted for test in any of the following department. Test 2. Biological science, we will have to write 2 tests. They have not given about engineerings, but are okay. They have written ME MTech. If you have, then there is no written test for you. Means it is only for chemistry, physics, mathematics, biological science, humanity and social science, and economics. But if you are from engineering background and you are applying for that, then you prepare well. Maybe they will take also, because for BV Pharma they will take test. They have confirmed that. Here you can see. So wherever you apply, you suppose that they will take both written and interview. If less candidates are applying, then they will take only interview. But if sufficient number of candidates have applied, they will take both written test and interview. So prepare according to that and apply. But here the main important thing is that if you are not get qualified also, then you can apply. So it's a good opportunity for you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now.